Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and this is our Banks rear differential cover.
Banks differential covers are awesome, and we have been super happy with this one. The reason we chose it is because this differential cover helps to extend lubrication life, retain fuel economy, and rejects heat faster than other differential covers on the market. So this fin design that you see here really allows air to flow through, so it's super fast at cooling things down. Another nice feature is that there is a fill port at the top as well as a drain plug at the bottom, and there is a sight glass there on the right side in the middle, and that helps you to know where the fluid is so you don't end up overflowing, and it's so much easier to be able to add the fluid. This is also super solidly built, really stout, well designed, and I have no doubts that this is going to last a really long time.
So those are the reasons why we chose this differential cover, and that's my point of view.